First, remove the bike and parts while saving the box. Then cut any zip ties or padding off the bike. Take the rear wheel and loop your chain around the cog or freewheel and secure the chain on the front chain ring before mounting. Then, insert the rear axle between the dropouts and put tension on your wheel towards the rear of the bike while you tighten down the axle nuts. Now you can mount the bike on the edge of the box while you work on it. Now remove the stem faceplate using a 4mm hex wrench and mount your handlebars. But don't tighten it down too much yet, you'll have to adjust them later. While installing the seat post, make sure you add some grease where it will be inserted and on the seat post itself. Loosen the seat post clamp with a 5mm hex wrench, then insert the seat post. Adjust it to your preferred height, then tighten securely. Remove your pedals from the accessories box and use your finger to work in some grease into the pedal threads. Make sure you install the pedal marked L on the non-drivetrain side of the bike. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so it goes in counterclockwise. The pedal marked R goes on the drivetrain side and threads in clockwise. After you thread each pedal by hand, tighten them securely with a 15mm pedal wrench. Take your front wheel and unscrew each axle nut until you have enough space to mount it on the fork. Now remove your bike from the edge of the box and set the fork on the front axle and secure with a 15mm wrench. Loosen your stem pinch bolts with a 5mm hex wrench. You need to make sure your front wheel is lined up straight. After you've done this, you can retighten your stem bolts. Before riding your bike, loosen the stem faceplate and make sure your handlebars are in a comfortable riding position. After this is done, tighten the bolts in a cross pattern once again. Before riding, perform a safety check including proper operation of the brakes before going out and having fun on your new 6KU urban track.